In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DaVinci Resolve not importing MP4 files. If your clips won't show up or go offline the moment you drag them in, don't worry. MP4 is just a container, and there are a few predictable reasons Resolve might object. Follow along and try these fixes in order, testing after each one. First, check whether the codec inside your MP4 is supported. MP4 can hold H264, H265, HEVC, ProRes variations, and more. Open your file's properties or use a media info tool to see details like video codec, bit depth, frame rate type, and audio format. Pay special attention to whether it's H265 and whether it's 10-bit, and note if the frame rate says variable instead of constant. This quick check will guide the next steps. Next, be aware of limitations in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. On Windows in particular, Resolve Free does not support some high-end codecs like 10-bit H265, HEVC, and certain ProRes RAW variants. If you discover your clip uses one of these, that's likely the culprit. Your options are to upgrade to Resolve Studio for broader codec support or convert the file to a more compatible format, which we'll cover shortly. If your clip was recorded on a phone, action cam, or screen recorder, it may be using a variable frame rate. Resolve can struggle with VFR, causing import failures or audio drift. Convert the footage to a constant frame rate while keeping the same resolution and target FPS. Set it to a standard value like 24, 25, 30, 50, or 60 that matches your footage, and keep the audio sample rate consistent to avoid sync issues. Clean up your file names and locations. Resolve can be sensitive to special characters, emojis, symbols, and very long folder paths. Rename files with only letters, numbers, underscores, or hyphens, and move them into a short, simple folder path on a drive you fully control. Make sure the drive isn't read-only and that the media isn't buried inside synced cloud folders that might be offline. If compatibility remains the issue, transcode or rewrap the file. Transcoding converts the video to an editing-friendly codec such as DNxHR, ProRes, or H264 8-bit while preserving resolution and frame rate. Rewrapping keeps the video data the same but changes the container, for example from MP4 to MOV, which can fix container-level quirks without recompression. Also, confirm your audio is in a common format like AAC stereo. Finally, try running Resolve with elevated permissions. On Windows, close Resolve and launch it as an administrator so it can access protected folders